Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the basics of Finnish, one of the most fascinating and unique languages in the world. Whether you're visiting Finland, interested in learning a new language, or just curious, this video will get you started with Finnish essentials. Let's jump in. Finnish is spoken by about 5.5 million people, mainly in Finland. It's part of the Finno-Ugric language family, which makes it very different from most European languages. But don't worry, while it might seem tricky at first, Finnish is logical, and once you learn the basics, it's super rewarding. Next, let's learn some basic greetings. These are essential for making a good impression in Finland. Hei means hello. Moi means hi, and it is more casual. Hiva huomenta is good morning. Kiitos is thank you. And Näkemän is goodbye. Finns appreciate politeness, so even a simple kiitos goes a long way. Next, I tell you simple steps to order food in a restaurant in Finland. When you enter, greet the staff with a simple hei means hello. If a host greets you first, they might say something like tervetuloa, what means welcome. You can ask for a table saying onko teillä poitia vapaan neljää, meaning hello, do you have tables for 4? In some Finnish restaurants, you'll be shown to your table, while in casual places, you might seat yourself. Observe what others are doing. Most places will give you a menu automatically, but if you don't have one, ask saisinko menun, meaning can I have the menu? And if you noticed, you don't say kiitos like please at the end as in English. Once you are ready, you can catch the attention of the server by making eye contact or raising your hand slightly. Do not yell waiter. You can say olen valmis tilaamaan, meaning I am ready to order. You could ask mitä suosittelisit, meaning what would you recommend? Or, if you want to ask about dietary restrictions, onko tämä vegaanista? Is this vegetarian? Or, sisältääkö tämä pakanoita, gluteenia tai lactusia? Meaning, does this have nuts, gluten, dairy? Be polite and clear when ordering. Haluaisin tilata, meaning I'd like to order. Otaisin, meaning I'll have. If you want a typical Finnish drink, try lonkero, which is a gin-based long drink, or karhu beer, a popular Finnish beer. The staff will bring your food to your table. Finns don't typically rush you, so feel free to enjoy your meal at your own pace. In Finland, the bill isn't automatically always brought to you, that you need to ask for it. You could say saisinko lasken, meaning, could I have the bill, please? If you're paying with a card, you can say maksan kortilla, meaning, I'll pay by card. It's polite to thank the staff when leaving. Say kiitos, meaning thank you, to the kitchen. Now for some fun Finnish words you'll love to use. Kalsarikanit means drinking at home in your underwear. Yes, it's a real thing. Another fun word is makihapero, a term for someone who spends too much time alone in a cabin or home and becomes a bit eccentric or reclusive. When you go to the sauna, you might see saunatone too. It is a mythical sauna spirit that looks after the sauna's peace and cleanliness. When you are at school, people are talking about hippitunti. It is a jump hour, and means a free period in a school schedule when no classes are held, but lessons continue before or after it. That's it for today's introduction to Finnish. With these basics, you're ready to start your language learning journey. Remember, Finnish may be challenging, but with some sisu, you can do it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite Finnish word. Näkemän. CYAA